In today's video, I will simply show you how you can contact Snapchat support. In order to contact Snapchat support, just open up Snapchat. Once you open Snapchat, tap on the Bitmoji icon from the top left, then tap on the gear icon, scroll down to the bottom, and find the option called I Need Help under the Support section. Once you tap on I Need Help, you will be able to see a list of help topics. So before you get to Snapchat support, if there is anything that Snapchat help articles can help you solve your problem, you can go ahead and view all this over here. But to contact them directly, just go to the Contact Us button here, and it will ask you to submit a request. So just go ahead and select any of this, and then just select any of the options. But it says still need help. Select yes or no. So we're going to select yes. We can simply just go ahead and actually submit a request as to any of the regions that you want to choose. After that, a new form is going to basically open up at the bottom, which will ask you to enter your Snapchat username, your full name, your email address, and enter the description as to what issues you're having, and so on. Just verify the capture and submit it. And just like that, you would have Contact Us support. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.